Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, now I will cover how the collection runs the order. So first of all, let me give you a short description about prerequisite and test. So guys, this is the prerequisite in our API, and then this is our test script where we write our test scripts. Like after the response comes, and this hits before the request is being hit. So how this work is, first of all, this section is being executed, then the request is being hit by the postman to the server, and then the response came, and after then that this section get executed. So same as here as well. So they have defined the authorizations, prerequisite, and test cases as well. So here you can also, like if I want to write something, level collection. So this is the level, this is the first level. If you hit APIs and if you hit the runner, then first of all this section will be executed, and then so you can create multiple folder in a API collection, and there you will find the prerequisite and test step as well. So here you can also write folder 1, and you can save the APIs inside it as well. And then in this API, question. So guys, I have created 3 prerequisites. So first of all, the execution takes place at the collection level, then at the folder level, then it checks if the prerequisite contains any inside the API request and or not. And if after the execution of these 3 steps, then the request is being hit to the server, and then the response comes, and then finally again. Response in collection, and then this. So this is the postman console, and the shortcut is Control Alt C. So you can see over here, and if I click on this runner, just select the environment if you want, and if you want to give iteration, like if you want to execute it 2 times, and if you want to give 500 milliseconds, then you can. And suppose I don't want to use this, I just want to hit this API only. So run on this. Now as you can see, first of all the prerequisite of the collection level printed, then the folder 1, then the request, then the request is being hit, then after then that level collection, then folder 1, and the request 1. So this is how it works. So first of all, the you can see here as well in the collection runner that as I have not given any of the URL. So what URL you need to request, what you have like hit. So you can find all the parameters here. What is the request URL, what is the request headers, what is the request body, what is the response headers, and what is the response body. So each and everything you will find here, and if any of the test cases fail or pass, you will find over here. And you can also retry as well. You can export the result, you can see the run summary, and if you want to hit a new one, you can see here. And if you want to see the previous collection, so you don't need to select anything here, just unselect each and everything, and you will find each and every runs here which was run by you. And you can import run as well, you can delete all of them. So this is how it actually works. And I guess the postman got crashed, so let me again open it. Okay, I guess I mistakenly open it. It must be a bugs in the postman, it is crashing. So let us just take an example. This is the website from where you can get the dummies APIs for testing purpose. Suppose this is the API. Get API to fetch the response. And again select the folders and the API to be hit. Clear it all. You can also filter the response. I just keep it one, and let me again run it. So here you can see first of the prerequisite in the collection printed, then prerequisite in the folder printed, then prerequisite in the request section printed, then the request is being hit, then the response in the collection executed, then the response in the folder executed, then the response in the script executed. So whatever being written here, this code executed first, then the body section means the request is being hit to the server, and then the response. But if you want to like manipulate and apply any of the code, like you want to check the response time of each and every request in this collection, so you can write that code here and it will check. So first of all, this will execute after the request being hit to the server. Then first of all, this will be executed. Then after than that, the folder in the request, like this APIs, so in which this API in the folder in which this API exists, then that folder test script will be executed, and then the test script of the API itself will be executed. So this is how the order of collections runner uh, works. So this is the order. So it will work for same. If you create multiple folder over here, then it will work like that. So whatever the API is being hit, so according to the first of all the collection is the first thing which will be executed. Then the folder in which the API exists, that folder's part will be executed. Then after than that, the APIs which is being hit to the server, then that will take place. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channels and please share as much as you can. Please comment your doubts and queries, and thank you so much for watching again. Sorry for the interruption. Please guys share my video as much as you can with your connections, and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much.